No people touch you. Look for the dress. Papa dress. Look for it. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And as you can see in the title, today I'll be doing a try on haul. So I'll be doing the Dr.jays. I think the Dr.jays outfits by Fashion Lab and some other brands. I'll let you know. I'll put them in the description box. So before I jump into the video though, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for supporting me so much. As you can see, I was uploading for the past few days from before Christmas until now. I'm sorry guys. I've been extremely busy and a bit lazy too, but don't worry, I'm back. I'll be uploading videos after videos after videos, but this complete for January, you know. Alright, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and let's go into the video. I'm gonna start off with this jeans pants. I purchased it on the Dr.jays website. It is pretty cheap. I think I got this for $5. And this is the jeans. So this is one of two jeans, and it's the rib jeans, stuff. So yeah, it's a bit loose up here, but it's okay. I wear a belt with it whenever. So this is jeans number. Alright peeps, so this is the second outfit, and I got this blouse and pants from Dr.jays, of course. It fits perfectly. So this is a one size, I think. Well, this can be one size. This is a small. This is a small. And this jeans pants are also got in a small. And this one fits perfectly fine. So this is the first one. This one fits much better than this one. So this is like, yeah, this is a full outfit, as you can see. Outfit number 2. No guys, so this I'm only showing you the blouse. I showed you this pants in the previous clip. Now I'm gonna show you this blouse. Forgive me, I have on my bra under here. Now this is a little pin on the blouse with some gold, what am I call? Gold ring in the middle of it, going all the way to the tummy. Now this is how it looks from the back. That's my Brazilian one. This is how it looks from the back. Now I got one of these, and I got another one. I'm gonna show you how it looks too. So these are some little. I let me tell you guys, these pin-on-dos are very cheap. So go check out the website. Not that I'm promoting the website, but go check out the website. These are some nice pin-on-dos. They're very thin material, so some of you might not be comfortable wearing the bra underneath it. But I know most females do wear bra underneath these, but you can get some half bra, some blah blah blah. But these cannot wear brassiere over. And as you can see my bra through the ring. See? Alright guys, so this is Pinanda number 2. So this is like a pinkish, well not even a pinkish, a pink outfit. Pink Pinanda. And this is the brand that it has on it. So it has this, so guys forgive me, this is my bra. It has 2 like strap across here. I like it. I like it. So this is how it looks from the back. This is my bra strap. So it's the same thing from back, just like the previous one. So it's just like a spaghetti strap with Pinanda, you know, style. Yeah. Pinanda number 2. Now we're gonna move on to something else. I don't think I have any other pants, so I'm gonna move on to the dresses. However, I will not be showing you all the dresses because the dresses are basically the same but different colors. Yeah. Alright people, so this is dress number 1. So this one is kind of different from the ones that I was telling you about. This is like a formal going out dress, like you're going to an event and you can drop a pumps on and you're good to go. And this is you're going to graduation, you're going to a church. You can't even wear this to church. So this is how it looks from the back. Voila, dress number 1. Kind of like it, but I kind of not like it. You can't wear. I would wear it though. Alright? Like it. Alright guys, so this is out of my closet. I chose to take this one out of my closet to show you guys. Yeah. So this is just a simple romper with a mesh at the back. I'm sure you guys have seen these ones. So this is from my own closet. I didn't order this, so I'm just gonna show. Love it. I've only worn this like what, 2 or 3 times, and this is my 4th time putting it on. Still look good. It couldn't pass here, so it let me put on the cover. So yeah. No people touch wood. Look at the dress here. Proper dress. Look at it. I love this dress. Love. And I got 4 of these dresses. And guess, well, I'm not going to tell you the prices. Go and check out the website. It's pretty cheap. No, this one is from the same Icon Appeal. No, Icon Apparel. There we go. Check it out. I actually thought these were from Fashion Lab because on the website it said Fashion Lab. However, it's on the website Dr.jays, so you can go ahead and check them out. I'm going to show you another dress from them. The same style, different color. So let me know what you think about this dress. I actually I have a thing for long dresses. So it's my thing. Long frock. Yes. That's it. People. Look at it. The red kinda actually are pink, whatever. Peach, pink, red, whatever. The lighting. One thing, vote between this one and the one that I showed you before this one. Which one you like better? Which one fits me better? I think may actually think the gray one kind of, sit down properly and look nice. And I actually have a black and the darker gray. I'm thinking about going back and get some other ones, but different colors. Same dress but different color. Anywho guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And of course, drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this try on haul. And as I said before, I'll be uploading, like, I want to do a video every day, but I'll be uploading like every other day or every 2 days as of January. Yeah, so share the video, send it to a friend, send it to a family. Help me get to 500 subscribers. I know it's a long way, but still, we're getting there. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Mwah.